10 birds with the longest beaks you never knew. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a unique aspect of bird biology: their beaks. Beaks come in all shapes and sizes, but some birds have exceptionally long beaks that set them apart. These impressive beaks aren't just for show. They serve critical roles in feeding, mating, and survival. Let's dive into the fascinating world of birds with the longest beaks and discover what makes these avian adaptations so special. One, Australian pelican. The Australian pelican boasts one of the longest beaks in the bird kingdom. Its beak can measure up to 20 inches, 50 centimeters long. This long, flexible beak is perfect for scooping up fish and water during feeding. The pelican's beak also has a unique pouch that can expand to hold up to 3 gallons, 13.5 liters, of water and fish, allowing it to catch and store food efficiently. 2. Shoebill. The shoebill, native to the swamps of Central and East Africa, has a distinctive, shoe-shaped beak that can be up to 9 inches, 23 centimeters long. This massive beak is well adapted for catching large prey, such as fish, frogs, and even young crocodiles. The shoebill's beak is not only long, but also incredibly powerful, allowing it to tackle tough and slippery prey with ease. 3. White stork. The white stork, found in Europe, Asia, and Africa, has a long, straight beak that can reach up to 9 inches, 23 centimeters. This beak is perfect for catching fish, frogs, insects, and small mammals in wetlands and agricultural fields. The white stork's beak also plays a role in its elaborate courtship displays, where pairs engage in bill-clattering duets to strengthen their bond. Four, black skimmer. The black skimmer, found along coastal regions and inland waters of the Americas, has a unique beak design. Its lower mandible is longer than the upper one, measuring up to 3.5 inches, 9 centimeters. This specialized beak helps the bird skim the water's surface while flying, catching fish and small aquatic creatures with precision. The skimmer's beak is a remarkable adaptation for its feeding style. 5. Toco toucan. The Toco toucan, native to South America's tropical forests, is famous for its strikingly colorful and long beak, which can be up to 7.5 inches, 19 centimeters long. Despite its large size, the toucan's beak is surprisingly lightweight due to its honeycomb-like structure. This long beak helps the toucan reach fruits, insects, and small reptiles in hard-to-access places, and also plays a role in regulating its body temperature. 6. Long-billed curlew. The long-billed curlew, found in North America's grasslands and wetlands, has a long, curved beak that can reach up to 8.6 inches, 22 centimeters. This beak is perfect for probing deep into the soil and mud to find insects, worms, and crustaceans. The curlew's beak is a versatile tool, allowing it to feed in various habitats, from dry grasslands to coastal marshes. 7. Sword-billed hummingbird. The sword-billed hummingbird, native to the Andean regions of South America, has an extraordinary beak that can be longer than its body, reaching up to 4 inches, 10 centimeters. This slender, sword-like beak allows the hummingbird to feed on nectar from long tubed flowers that other birds can't access. Its long beak is an excellent example of co-evolution with the plants it pollinates. Eight, collared aracari. The collared aracari, a small toucan species found in Central and South America, has a beak that can be up to 4 inches, 10 centimeters long. This colorful and slightly curved beak helps the aracari reach fruits, berries, and insects in the dense canopy. Its long beak is also used in social interactions and courtship displays, making it an essential part of its lifestyle. Nine, Marabou stork. The Marabou stork, native to sub-Saharan Africa, has a large, powerful beak that can measure up to 13 inches, 33 centimeters long. This stork uses its long beak to scavenge for carrion, fish, and small mammals. Its beak is strong enough to break through tough hides and bones, making it an efficient feeder in its harsh environment. 10. Great hornbill. The great hornbill, found in the forests of Southeast Asia, has a large, curved beak that can measure up to 12 inches, 30 centimeters long. This impressive beak is used to reach fruit high in the canopy, and its strong, hooked shape helps the hornbill grip and manipulate food. The great hornbill's beak is also adorned with a casque, a hollow structure that amplifies its calls and plays a role in mate attraction. Conclusion. From the Australian pelican's massive scoop to the sword-billed hummingbird's delicate sword-like beak, these birds showcase the incredible diversity and adaptability of beak shapes and sizes in the avian world. Each beak is a testament to nature's ingenuity, perfectly suited to the bird's environment and lifestyle. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of birds with the longest beaks. That's all for today. Now, share your experience with this creature here. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing insights into the natural world.